My name's Todd Keske and I'm the current president of FSI. FSI is a chemical manufacturer. We produce liquid polyurethane systems primarily in the B2B market. Most companies like FSI need outside IT. It's very rare when even the largest of companies are really good at performing their own IT. We made a conscious decision to find a trusted partner with IT services rather than try and absorb ourselves. Oh gosh, we've been a client of ATB since really I want to say it's the early 90s. We were away from ATB somewhere between a year and 2 years. Every competitor is going to paint this story that the grass is greener, right? That they're going to do it better, that they're going to save you money, and when that's not the case, it's painful. What ended up happening is the costs we had with the new company were far greater than what we had with ATB, and our users, our people that would call for ATB support, were very much missing that personal touch that ATB brought. We figured, well, let's just stay the course for a little longer and see how this goes. And they just couldn't supply us with basic information that they should have had at the ready. I made the decision to get back in touch with them, see if we could rekindle the relationship. And the best thing about it was there were no sour grapes. The move back to them was seamless. If not for ATB support, our business would certainly struggle more than it has to. They're part of the family, and we're not going to let them go. It's paramount to have a company like ATB with the philosophy and values that they have. They're really a partner through the process more than a simple IT vendor. If I were speaking with another CEO, I'd say just do it. You're not going to make a mistake with ATB. If you want the best, choose ATB.